Connect directly with CEOs, CTOs, and C-level peers from leading European OEMs. An excellent opportunity for networking and knowledge exchange. Gain first-hand live insights into advanced systems engineering, high-level manufacturing, and core ODM services. Challenge our experts with your toughest questions. Providers from the Stelio Technology Group will present new technology accelerators, products, and solutions. Experience the integration of agentic product ecosystems and how it revolutionizes human-device orchestration. October 15th, 2026. Secure your spot today to lead the future of smart products.